In this video, I will show you how to get a free private server in Blox Fruits on Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. I'll be doing this on the web-based version of Roblox, but you can do this on the app as well. Then, if you come up to the search box, and what you want to do first is search for Blox Fruits, and then, of course, in experiences. And what you're going to want to do is click onto the top results. So this is the official Blox Fruits experience page. Now, if you actually come down and click on servers, generally to create a private server at the time of recording is currently 200 Robux. However, there is a way to actually create this for free. To do that, scroll down a bit on this page, and what you want to do is come down to the other servers section. Now, first what you want to do is click here where it says number of players and change this from descending to ascending. Then what you want to do is also tick the box to exclude full servers. Now, what you can actually do is join any of these servers that currently have one person. Once you've joined the server, at some point later on, when that person leaves that server, effectively it's going to become your own private server, which is a way to get a private server without paying the 200 Robux on Blox Fruits on Roblox. So that is how to get a free private server in Blox Fruits on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.